It's different every single day. It's not like your average day where you go in, and I mean, everyone who's teaching knows that it's a different experience every single day. If they truly love music and when they find that joy in it, this becomes their comfort zone. And I think once your classroom becomes a comfort zone, kids truly, you see the true personality of some kids because they're so comfortable. You can really get to know some of them on a personal level. One of our clarinet players, he was so, he's shy. Got to a song we were playing, I noticed he kept hitting the wrong note every single time. And I kind of looked at him and I'm like, dude, add your pinky. And he just went like this. And I was like, you don't have a pinky.
I play the clarinet, and it's a woodwind instrument. This is the bell at the bottom, and this is where your fingers go to play different notes.
Usually in clarinet, there's alternate fingerings. You can like mess stuff around and push down other keys, and there was no alternate fingering for this note. I didn't know what to do for a little bit, and then I'm like, wait a second. Our librarian, Jim, he has a 3D printer in there.
Well, actually, the school district gave us 3D printers in the library. I just started playing with it, trying to see if I could figure out how to make the thing work. She contacted me and said, hey, I have a student who has a problem. He can't play a note on his instrument. I said, well, I'm gonna need to have an instrument because I have to look at it and try and figure out what can we do to try and make this happen, because if you can't play using your left pinky, then what can you do to try and adapt and make something else work for it? If I attach it to this post over here, I can, hold it in place, kind of anchor it, and if I bring it over here and attach it to here, that would allow me to press down on it, and if I build something up here, he'd be able to hit it with his finger when he's not using it on the other note. I mean, you think through it and try and figure out, well, how can you make it work?
I have like a special piece right here that helped me play a note that is used a lot.
The first time he put it on, he took it off immediately and it broke. He's like, I already broke it. And he gave it back to me. I'm like, Louie, it's fine. We're gonna make another one. He's like, can you do that? I'm like, yeah, you can make another one. It's 3D printed, it's fine. But it didn't take very long for him to figure out how to use it. We thought it would take a while, but he is a very fast, efficient learner, so he picked it up really fast.
Well, it's kind of just in my nature. I like to help people. I do that for my family, my friends all the time. They've got a problem. I'm like, oh, I think if we do this, we can fix that.
If you could clone him, his binders all organized with everything where you want it to be, and everything is always prepared. Playing assignments, he's always ready to go. He's always prepared, always ready, never late. It was super nice to have this opportunity where I was able to give back to a kid who always gives to me every day, so it was really nice.